You can also insert word art onto a slide. And maybe you don't want to necessarily use it for a slide, but maybe you need to make a poster for the office or things like that. So it's a fancy text, basically, is what it is. If I go to insert and go down to word art, and I'll type in what I want the word art to be. I'll just use my name, hit return, and it gives me a word. Now I can use the same tools that I have in my toolbar to change the color of my letters. So maybe I'll change it to pink. Every object has two parts to it, an inside and a line. So there's a line there, you can't see it very well, but I'll make it bigger so you can see it. It has to be selected first though. So now I've got a line around my word art. If I click on it and click on format options, I have some choices. I can change the size. I can scale it. If you have scale object on and you change one size, it's going to change the other size. If you don't want that on, you can take it off. I can change the position on the page. I can add a drop shadow to it. So I can say add a drop shadow. Let me make it so you can see it a little bit more. That might be a little bit too much, but you can see it, so we'll leave it there. I can add a reflection to it. You see it's added a reflection to the bottom, and you can adjust all of those things. The other thing that it lets you do is to animate it. You animate objects. You don't, when you're transitioning it from one slide to another, but this is to animate an object. So if I click on add animation, when I click, what do I want it to do? I want it to, let's see here, I want it to spin. So now if I click on play, and I click to make it appear, I click to make it spin. You can see over here I accidentally added appear as well as spin, and then I can stop it. So that's how you would animate an object.